Welcome once again to this YouTube channel. This is Vika Forex. You're welcome to this channel. Today we'll look at profitable chart pattern. If you're a newbie and you're looking for a strategy that will make you profitable, today we're looking at one profitable strategy that will enhance your profitability in Forex. Okay, have you been struggling for a while to be profitable? Well, in this video, you will learn new ways and new secrets in order to become more profitable. We're looking at different chart patterns and how to trade those chart patterns to enable you make lots of profit in Forex. Lots of profit in Forex. Okay, I've been doing Forex for about this 4 years. And there's a lot I have come to discover about the industry. And a lot of newbies tend to fall victim of these simple things that, if they know, will make them profitable and they will stop blowing their account. For this video, I will enlighten you on what you should do when you see a profitable chart pattern. There are lots of chart patterns out there, a lot of chart patterns. There are a lot of them, but sadly, not all of them is tradable because a lot of them are going to land you with trouble. But there are specific chart patterns that, when you see them, their profitability is very high, and those are the patterns that you should be more focused on. So if you're not yet subscribed to this video, when you subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, because we share a lot. We will share a lot of useful information that will make you profitable in Forex. So subscribe, turn up the notification bell, and let's get on to the topic. So we are here to discover chart patterns that are profitable. So follow me. The first chart pattern is the W-shaped pattern. And why I enjoy this pattern, because 80% of the time it is very profitable. It always yields good results. 80% of the time it always yields good results. And it must not be like an exact W pattern. You don't have to have a full complete W, like the way you learn in primary school, where you have W like this. No, you don't have to have that kind of W. But something that looks close to a W is what you should be looking out for. Okay, that's what you should be looking out for. So when looking at this chart, I can see a W pattern already here. We have this trend. This is the first trend move. Then we have a pushback. You can see there was this is the first trend. This is the first leg. Second leg, we have another one. We have, you can see. So this is a V-shaped pattern. So first is identify. Okay, first is to identify. You need to identify when you see in the chart. So when you see the first leg formed, the second leg, and then the third leg, you're looking for the fourth leg. That's the first thing to know. Okay, you see the first leg formed, second leg, third leg. The next thing you look for is the fourth leg. Understand? That's what you're looking for in the layman's term. This fourth leg you're looking for. So the first leg, second, third, you're looking for the fourth leg. Now the fourth leg is what will give you the profit you're looking for. Because a W is not fully formed on the first leg, it's not fully formed in the second leg, it's not fully formed on the third leg, it is formed on the fourth leg. So you're looking for the fourth leg. So once you see something like this, anyway you draw something like this, the charts will actually form in a third leg. There's a lot of examples. I'll be going back to the examples. I'll be showing you all of them. So the first, so identify by the first, second, and third leg. You identify the first, second, and third leg. You've seen a W about to be formed. And the next thing is, how do you enter? How do you enter? How do you take advantage of a W shape pattern? How do you take advantage of a W shape pattern? Now, once the first leg is formed, the first thing, the first, second, and third leg is formed. The first thing you have to draw, first thing you identify. You identify. Then you identify by tracing. So you draw, then you draw, and then you draw a line. You draw a line connecting the end of the W's. Okay, there's always the two end, so you have to identify by drawing. You can use a trend line to identify it and draw that line. Now, once you've done that, you'll pass the second stage. You identify the W, you've traced it, you've drawn the line, the trend line, and then the next thing is to know where to enter and where to put your stop loss and where to put your take profit. Okay, first of all, identify a happening W. The next thing is to draw a line connecting the end of the tip that touches the support. Because this is the support line. This is the support line. This is a support line. This is a support line. So you've identified the supports. Okay, the end of the W. So the next thing now is to know when to enter and where to put your stop loss. Once you've drawn the support line connecting the first leg, now you're linking it to the second leg that is about to form. So remember remember the first thing to identify. You want to identify here, identify here, and identify here. Now you're waiting for the last leg, the fourth leg to form. The next thing is to look for the reversal candle, because you already know that the moment the leg of the candle hits that your support zone, next thing is to form the other leg. So you should already be expecting that. And once the third leg touches that zone, it should start creating the fourth leg. So your own now is to patiently wait for the reversal candle, and you will know this from the lower time frame. You see the reversal candle start forming. The sell pressure must have been reducing. You understand? The sell pressure must have been reducing. It needs to reduce, because if something is moving with a high speed, it does not stop. So you know from the momentum, the pressure, how are the candles forming around these zones? Because you've already marked the zone. Look at, we already marked it here. We already marked the zone. We're expecting the market around this zone to begin to reduce, like let the sellers be reducing pressure and then the buyers beginning momentum. So without that, we cannot begin to get ready to buy. So first of all, you must see a decrease in pressure, a decrease in momentum on the selling part. This is for the W-shaped pattern. You must see a decrease in pressure, momentum rather, and then an increase in momentum in the buy side. So the sellers decrease in pressure, buyers increase in momentum. Decrease in momentum for sellers, increase in momentum for buyers. So that is your first thing to note. If you see a sharp move going downwards for sellers, don't enter yet. There must be a decrease in momentum for sellers. You can see here that this, let me zoom out. Okay. We can see here to the zone. We can see here, okay, let me make it yellow. Okay, so we can see here that the the bearish momentum was decreased. We can see how it decreased, and then the next candle that followed that decrease was a bullish candle, a bullish inversal candle. If I have seen this thing here happen in a 3 hours time frame, I would have quickly bought. Okay, so where do you buy? You buy when you see the bearish momentum decreasing, and then you wait for a confirmation candle from a higher time frame, either 1 hour time frame, 2 hour, 3 hour. You wait, and then you buy at this point. You buy at this point. When you buy, your hope is to catch the move of the fourth leg. So you would have made all these moves going upwards. You have made all those moves. And for a 3 hour time frame, this is a lot of move. You check this in a 1 hour time frame, you see that there's a lot of candles here. Okay, so you would have made all those moves and would have made up to, depending on your lot size, you get up to $30, $50, $40 that easily. Okay, I can go back to different examples, and you see that the pattern stay consistent. Okay, the pattern remains the same. This W-shaped pattern does not is consistent. The profitability is up to 80%. So you understand, it's up to 80%. Okay, I'll be showing you about 3 examples. Look at 3 examples, and you see how this pattern is very, very profitable. Okay, now where does your stop loss go? Your stop loss should go below this zone. Should go below the zone. When you have marked your first leg, second leg, your third leg, your stop loss should go below the zone. But remember, first there must be a decrease in momentum for the sellers, an increase in momentum for the buyers, and then you wait for a confirmation candle before you enter. Put your stop loss below the zone and then catch all the moves above. So I'm showing you another example to further elucidate this the trading pattern. Remember to subscribe to this channel. It's very important. Subscribe to this channel. Okay, the more things I'll be teaching you, like a lot of strategies. Me, I'm a person that believes in, I don't believe in indicators. I believe in pure technicals. So I will be teaching you how to look at the market and see what you want to see. You see what you want to see. I'll be teaching you how to turn losing trades to profitable trades. I'll be teaching you how to benefit from patterns and how to recognize patterns easily. And this W-shaped pattern is just one of those classes. I'll show you an example of W-shaped. I love W-shaped patterns on higher time frames. They are very, very reliable. W-shaped patterns on higher time frames are very, very reliable. I don't like those patterns on lower time frames. They work, but because of smaller time frames tend to have resistance and support of higher time frames. So the higher the time frames, the stronger the resistance and support on special zones. So I prefer to trade resistance on higher on higher time frames. Okay. Let me block I said the brand which is now we just okay now this is a new example. This is a new example. If you, can you look at this chart and just tell me where you think there is a W-shaped pattern? I know you can see it. Me too, I can see it. So we can spot one here. We can spot one here. Okay. So let's say you are. This is a complete chart. So let's say you were here when leg 1, leg 2, 3 has formed. How would you know that this thing is going to be forming a W shape, seeing that it's actually a downtrend? W shape can happen anywhere. It can happen in a range market, in a downtrend, in an uptrend. It can happen anywhere. So it doesn't matter what trend trading. It can happen anywhere. Just need to know how to spot it and how to trade it. So this is the first leg. This is the second leg, and this is the third leg. That alone would have given me the hint that this is a W-shaped pattern. You have the first, second, and third leg. The next thing I will be expecting is this. That is a W-shaped pattern. Okay? Let me do it again. We have the first leg. We have the second pull back, push up. Then we have the push back. Once you see a market pull down, fine, it's normal. Then it pulls up, then it pulls back down to that zone. You should then be able to see, once you have that three formation, that three pattern, the down pull, up and down again, you should be able to expect the W-shaped pattern to happen. So you connect the legs, wait for the reversal candles. You can see here, reversal candles. You can see them here. You can see them here. You can see them. Then you take a buy on this zone. Take a buy. Once you take a buy, you put your stop loss below the zones, and then catch the move. I'll get you a very, very clear and sweet pattern so that you don't miss it. Okay? This is a more complex WSP pattern. It's only when you've been practicing for a long time you'll be able to spot it. Is it another one here? Let me show you the other one, a simpler one here. And you see it. I don't know if you can see it. I know you have seen it, must have seen it before now, but look at it. First leg, okay, let me use it. First leg, second leg, third leg, and you draw your third line connecting it. You see? And then you would have cut all this move. Your stop loss should come below the zone. Your entry should be around here. So are you seeing what I'm showing you? This is how profitable you can be with this strategy. It never fails. It never fails. Okay? Just don't abuse it, but it never fails. Okay? How to put your TP to TP? Your TP should be either you should collect either the neck of the W, the neck of the W, or you should target the other the leg of the high of the first leg. So you say you take your first TP on the neck of the W or the high of the first leg. Very, very important. Okay, you can now scale your profits. Very, very important. So this is how you can trade the W shape pattern. If you're not yet subscribed to this video, please subscribe. There are more videos that are coming, more videos in this channel that will be beneficial to you. Very beneficial to you. If you're a new trader, you need this videos, because I'm a pure price action trader. I don't do indicators. I don't do all those stuff. Those they don't work. What I do is pure price action, and I believe strongly in price action. I believe in looking at the market and understanding what the buyers and sellers are doing. I believe in knowing from patterns. I believe in seeing patterns, recognizing patterns, and then trading patterns profitably. I believe in risk management. So, if you want to learn my system of profitable trading, uh, follow me up. I'll be doing a live demonstration. I'll be posting the video on my channel, a live demonstration of this pattern. You'll be seeing how it works live. So I'll be doing a live video on a live trade on this W-shaped pattern in my next video. So subscribe, follow me up, and see you next time. Stay peaceful and stay profitable. This is VKFX. Don't forget.